With this, we are concluding the data reduction, the dimensionality reduction, also various techniques in dimensionality reduction. So now let's get into the navigational map of additional categories. So far we are done with data reduction, that's sampling we have seen, aggregation we have seen, dimensionality reduction methods or dimensionality reduction techniques we have seen. Now it's time to enter into the new section of additional categories, that is data transformation. In data transformation, and we will be, so what is data transformation before we get into that? So we'll see what is data transformation, and then inside that we will look into the various techniques known as data normalization, standardization, log transformation, data encoding. So that's what we will be exploring now. So with this, we have come to a question that what is a data transformation? Data transformation is the process of converting or changing the structure or characteristics of data to make it more suitable for analysis, modeling, or visualization. It involves applying various mathematical, statistical, or computational techniques to modify the data in order to improve its quality, consistency, or usability. A data transformation can be an important step in the data pre-processing stage of a data analysis or machine learning pipeline. I will repeat this again because this is very important aspect of data science or machine learning project. So data transformation can be an important step in the data pre-processing stage. Data pre-processing stage of a data analysis or machine learning pipeline, as it helps to address the issues such as data normalization, scaling, encoding, handling missing values, and dealing with outliers. So the main goal of data transformation is to prepare the data in a format that is appropriate for the specific analysis or modeling techniques being used. So this is the vital step in the machine learning pipeline or artificial intelligence project pipeline. So that's the reason. So in this, what we are gonna do is, so it helps to address issues such as data normalization, scaling, encoding, handling missing values is called as imputation, and dealing with outliers, we call that section as data outliers. Okay, so the main goal of data transformation is to prepare the data in a format that is appropriate for the specific analysis of modeling techniques being used.